end there. It's not nitya separation. It's only an aspect of making the relish of union and meeting again more and more tasty. So next verse is Ai Saki Madhavi Malati Mali. And this is a verse we're on today, verse 8. Ai Saki Madhavi Malati. Ai Saki. They're saying, hey sister, hey Saki, you're a Saki. Hey Saki Madhavi Malati Mali. Jati Juti Nilani Shefali Ma Gopayata Gopakulatilakam Ma Gopayata Gopakulatilakam Ma Gopayata Gopakulatilakam Kritakarasam Sparsham Kila Rasikam Ma Gopayata Gopakulatilakam Kritakarasam Sparsham Kila Rasikam Ma Gopayata Gopakulatilakam Kritakarasam Sparsham Kila Rasikam Ai Saki Madhavi Malati Mali Jatiyuti Nilani Shefali Ai Kalyani Tulasi Hari Charanam Mujadayate Tam Guruva Kurunam Kwaste Vadano Jivita Bandhu Sakala Kalanadi Rati Rasa Sindhu No Jivita Bandhu Rati Rasa Sindhu. That's yesterday. Oh, Kalyani Tulsi, same thing. As I said, all the Rasic books are based on the Bhagavatam. So what does the verse say yesterday? Verse number 7. They were addressing Tulsi. They said, Kachit Tulsi Kalyani. Kalyani means, oh, fortunate one. So they say, oh, this is nice. So he says, Ai Kalyani Tulsi, Rit Charanam Vujadayate. So the translation is this. Ai Kalyani Tulsi, O most fortunate, Hey Hari Charanambuja Dayata, O most auspicious Tulsi, beloved of the lotus feet of Hari. Please be merciful to us. Please tell us where Jivata Bandhu, that's obvious, friend of our lives, where is the Rati Rasa Sindhu, the ocean of sweet flowing romance. That's nice. And then that's our contribution from Prabhupada Saraswati Pada Ki Jai.